My dear student, welcome to Triple S Tech's e-learning initiative. Thank you very much for choosing to view the demo video. In this clip, you will have a good idea of what will be covered in the topic chosen by you. You have chosen the topic of accounts receivable or AR. The accounts receivable is all about handling the customer transactions in finance. Let us see what exactly is the business process that we are going to handle. The target business process for accounts receivable is to record and retrieve all the transactions pertaining to accounts receivable. To do this, we need customer master records, customer payment terms, invoicing, accounting of the payments, and AR information system. By customer master records are created both at FI and SD level. We will have to learn both of them if we have to understand the integration of FI and SD. What are the major configurations that we are going to learn in accounts receivable? First of all, we are going to create the master records, and for them we are going to create account groups and account number ranges. This means we are going to classify the customers in some way and group them and assign the desired number range for the groups. When I create a customer, the number range for the group is picked up for serially numbering the customers. So we create customer master records, and then we create what are called as reconciliation accounts for accounts receivable. The reconciliation accounts are nothing but a bridge between subsidiary ledger of customers and the general ledger account. This account is normally known as sundry debtors account. Every customer master record will have this account, and every transaction of the customer will be posted to this account. We will create customer payment terms which will decide when a particular payment will become due along with the terms of credit in the case of customers. With all this master data, we will learn how to post an invoice to customer account and how to account a customer receipt whenever he pays. So with this data, we will have a customer account data. Customer balances will be there, and the important thing in accounts receivable is to follow up for the payments, is to make sure that the sundry debtors are regularly followed up. To do this, SAP has designed what is called as a Dunning program. The Dunning program takes care of the automatic follow-up correspondence for customers for due payments. We have a separate video for that. Anyway, this is what is covered in AR. And finally, we are going to see how the AR in FI is integrated with SD module. That is, if a sale happens, the amounts are to be recorded in financial accounting. The concerned sale account and the debtors account are to be credited and debited, and the accounts that come along with the sale transaction, such as discounts, freight, taxes, etc., are all to be posted automatically. These configurations are pretty complex, and the whole thing is known as account determination, and we are going to learn this in deep with an example and actual entries of sales. Hope you are satisfied with the coverage of the subject. Now for the next steps. Click on Buy Now below this video to complete your order. We will get your mail order in our mailbox. We will send you the complete recording within 24 hours. Follow the instructions that accompanies your recording mail. View the video as many times as you feel. And if you have any doubts, contact us and the clarification will be provided instantly by our team. For more information, contact us on info@sstech.in. All the best for your SAP learning.